Hello YouTube, welcome to yet another video. Today we have a tie here and we'll learn how to tie this tie in just 4 simple steps. So let me first give you a quick demo what we are going to do. We have this skinny end here. What we will do is we have to wrap the fat end around this skinny end, and we create a neck hole here. We have to go 3 times around into this neck hole, from right once and go to the left again, and again into the neck hole, and again we have to go to right and again into the neck hole. So step number 1, we have to create the neck hole first. So what should we do? We take the tie and create a rough half of the tie and take 1/3 of the skinny end and put the fat end over the skinny end. So like this. So we create a neck hole here. Now we are already in the right side. What should we do? Step number 2, we have to go into the neck hole. So we put the fat end into the neck hole like this. So step 2 complete. Okay, now from right side complete, we have to do it from the left side now. So to complete that from the left side, we have to go to the left side. Let's go from the back, because we have no option to go like this, so we have to go from back side. And as now we are in the left side, step number 3, again into the neck hole. So this time we cannot go back into the neck hole, so from the front into the neck hole, tie it up completely. Our step number 3 complete, the final step. Again from the left side. Okay, we have to go to the left. We have to go again to the left side, because we are already in the left side already. So to go to the left side, we have to wrap around, and we are in the left side now. Now again in the neck hole. Like this. We are almost done, but we cannot leave the fat part like this. So we have to put it in the knot we just created by going to the left side again and pull it and make it tight. And we're done. Our tie tying is complete. A little bit of adjustment. So isn't it simple? Simple as that. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.